What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favre. In today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Celsius, which has been pumping in value in the last 24 hours, 113% up, guys. So as you can see, it's been pumping throughout the whole last 24 hours. As you can see, it all started off around 67 cents and right now has more than doubled its value, trading at 143. So what I'm going to be going through in today's video: is it too late to invest? Should you sell it? Should you hold on to it? Is it going to go even higher? Is it going to drop back down? So on and so on. Looking at what its next potential target is over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, as well as overall in 2022. Is Celsius a good crypto to be investing into? Should you hold on to it? Looking at how high and how low it can go as well, and looking at from both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see here, over the last hour itself, it managed to drop 8% in value, which is quite major. But the only reason for that is because of the major increase that's taking place right now. The graph, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see crypto doing a huge percentage increase, drops are always part of the process. It has to take little dips in between, and that is exactly what's taking place right now as I'm recording the video. So yeah. But as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's literally all that matters. So at the moment, it is over 100% up. Over the week, 336% up, guys. That is absolutely insane. And over the month, it is still 84% up. When you look at the monthly chart, most cryptos are down, guys, by about 30, 40, 50%. However, Celsius has managed to keep in the positive direction, so it is up 84%. However, over the year, it is down a massive 73%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website right now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 447% in the last 24 hours, making it $70 million, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Celsius at the moment. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and it should be one of the trending cryptos. As you can see on CoinMarketCap, is a second top trending crypto, which is, yeah, absolutely insane. So it's gaining a lot more attention because more and more people will be looking into the project. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Celsius at 70 cents. However, it is trading nearly double its value at $1.39, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected, as it's literally trading way above the average value. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are not looking too great. We've got the blue line and the orange line slightly looking bearish. Obviously, the blue line is looking much more clear because it's going towards the negative direction and looking much more steeper than the orange line. But the whole point is that they are both going in a negative direction. So drops in value are expected over the coming hours, but it's nothing major. It's not going to be a major drop or a huge decrease in value or anything like that. The drop is going to be minimal. Yes, we are going to see a peak in between, we are going to see a drop in between as well. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome at this current point seems to be more on the negative side, so potentially dropping to about 120 to 130 is what I'm expecting. But yeah, nothing too crazy. And yes, we are going to see a peak up to about 160, 170 as well. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow seems to just about be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? In this case, we've got a mixed signal. We've got the blue line looking bearish, going in a negative direction. However, the orange line is still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. So more or less over the next couple of days, so let's say towards the end of this week and very early next week, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range of around 130 to 140. With very minimal dips and peaks in between. Yes, we are going to have green days when it's up. We are going to have red days when it's down. But the overall outcome over the next, let's say, approximately 7 to 8 days seems to be more on the neutral side rather than positive or negative, so do expect it to fluctuate at the current price range. Now, moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking much more positive. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is expected over the coming weeks. So early August to mid-August, we should expect it to potentially go past the $2 mark. However, the only reason why we're seeing steep positive lines is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, it's going to keep going for a bull run, but that is not always the case, guys. Red days and weeks are always expected. We are going to have to expect it to drop in value in between that time, but what I'm talking about right now is the overall outcome over the coming weeks. Seems to be more on the positive side, but of course, if there are any major updates or major news that come across in between that time that can have a potential impact on the value of Celsius, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So now that we've done our price prediction, I'm going to get rid of the MACD indicator. And guys, Bitcoin has a major part in the crypto market. If we see Bitcoin pumping, then we're going to see the whole crypto market also following a similar pattern. However, if we see Bitcoin dropping quite a bit, then we are also going to see a similar pattern on the whole crypto market. So that is what I've put together a Telegram group chat where I show you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, mostly every single morning, on what to expect from Bitcoin and especially the whole crypto market in specific. Is it going in a positive, negative direction? And I also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. You guys can join the Telegram group chat using the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join the group chat, and after that it will increase to $29.99, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left. So if you guys want to get involved, make sure you're quick. So what does this include? You're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin. Obviously this is just a screenshot taken about 3 weeks ago when Bitcoin was trading at 29k, but yeah, and obviously give you guys predictions on different cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. So back to Celsius. As you can see, we've got the Fibonacci scale up on the screen right now, and we are trading in the red zone, and we have been trading in the red zone since early May last month. So over a month and a half now we've been trading in the red zone. We've been getting worse and worse, but right now we are starting to slowly build back up in value and getting closer and closer to the green zone. For us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $1.98, which we are not too far away from. So potentially over the coming weeks we should be able to hit into the green zone. Even though we are likely to resist at this point, we should be able to break out into the green zone about late August to early September. But again, we still got about a couple of months for that time. But if you guys want regular updates on Celsius, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Celsius. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. A massive shout out to all of you guys, because it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as well, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And yeah, not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I'll end the video here guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.